Hello, this is part 2 now of the tumble dryer fun, and we've got a fan heater, 150 watt light bulb and a 100 watt bulb, and obviously a tumble dryer. So let's see what we can do. Put that in as well. Go along with it. Oh, it's falling out. Go on, eat it. Go on, eat some more. Put that in. Tumble dryer on the Fun-Figure Pokery unit. Put that in. Lots of randoms in the dryer. Oh, come on, eat it. It's like it. It's running a bit slower. Go on, get in there. Should we find it some more to eat? Let's give it that, and that, and probably that. Bits of paper to put in the tumble dryer, and a bottle with a tablet in. Right, guys, let's turn the dryer on. Go on, dryer. A lid, bits of paper, dental appointment, and a bottle. Look how slow that's running. Look how slow it's running. Oh, go on, have it. Put that in. And there's that. Oh, go on, tumble dryer, eat them. And then we'll start it off slowly. We'll start the dryer off slowly, and then the fun will begin. Go on. Go on. Go on, there's the crisp, put that in. Go on. So that was the tumble dryer running on the fun jiggery pokery unit with lots of random things in. There'll be another vid coming soon of like more random stuff like shoes and bits of pieces, but wait and see. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. Bye.